Morning students. In last lecture I already discussed about what is the cell, what is the tissue, what is the organ, what is the organ system, and what is the organism. Yes, when the group of cell combine each other, that forms the tissue, and when a group of tissue combine each other, that forms the organ, and a group of organs combine each other, that forms the organ system. And when organ system combine each other, that forms the organism, student. That forms the organism. But in this lecture, we discuss about the different type of the organ system, like digestive system, circulatory system, endocrine system, excretory system, digestive system. So we have to discuss one by one. Yes, first of all, we discuss about the nervous system. In last lecture also I already told about to you. Our nervous system, our brain, CNS, central nervous system. Yes. So our nervous system function what? It coordinates the working of the body. It fully coordinates the working of the body. What is the part of the nervous system? Yes. Nerves. We have the nerves here. Brain. Our most important part is the brain, students. Spinal cord. Yes, your spinal cord is there. Read carefully. Then sense organ constitutes the nervous system. So first of all, we have those 5 sense organs. Yes, we have, student. First one is the nose. Second one is the tongue. Third, ears, eyes, and skin. These are our 5 sense organs, students. So first of all, they receive the message. They sense the message, percept the message. Used as a receptor, like a receptionist. Receptionist, you know, na? The girl sit in the reception is there, yeah, for the fee, yeah, anything. That is also the same thing as our 5 sense organ used as a receptor. Used as a receptor. So now we see about the 5 sense organ. First of all, sense our message. Yes, maybe stimulus. The word uses stimulus. Change from the outside. Anything change is there. Our 5 sense organs sense this change, and then we have the nervous system. Have the neurons are there. Neurons. Yes, the word used the neurons. In last lecture, I already told about the neurons are there. Small part of the nervous system. Neuron, sensory neuron get the message and give to the brain through the spinal cord. Yes, brain. Then brain take the decision, and decision given to the motor neurons, and motor neurons give the message to the muscle. Then muscle contract. For example, you not know the utensil is very hot. When you try to touch, our sense organ sense there and give message to the brain through the sensory neurons. Then brain give decision to the muscle through the motor neurons. Then our muscle contract, we do the hand away from the utensil. Yes, that is very easy process. That is the nervous system. We use the nervous system. So message in a nanosecond go to the brain and again back to the muscle. Now we discuss about the second system, that is a circulatory system. Yes, second is a circulatory system. Second circulatory system. What is the function of circulatory system? The respiratory gases like O2, CO2 undergo the exchange there. Yes, you already know circulatory system. Which part is there? Yes, heart, arteries, veins. These are the blood vessels. Capillaries also. Blood, lymph vessel. These are the part of the circulatory system. We have the 2 circulatory systems. 2 systems are there which circulate the things. That is called the lymphatic system, and one is the circulatory system in the where heart. That is the blood vessels also there. That is the part. What is the function of heart? To pump the blood everywhere. And blood, you know, contain the WBC, RBC, platelets. The blood carries the maybe nutrients sometimes, hormones, waste material. They transport everything in the full body. Circulation. So what is the function of heart? To pump the blood in every body. Yes, in full body. Very easy. Circulatory system only. So these are the part of the circulatory system. You already know our chamber is made up of four parts are there. In heart, the made up of 4 chambers are there, separated by the septum. Yes. So these are the all heart, arteries, vein, capillaries, blood, lymph, and lymph vessels. Our body have one more system is there, lymphatic system, students. Lymphatic systems, you know, the lymph vessels are there. In lymphatic system not contain the blood. It contain the yellow color liquid which contain the WBC which fight with the diseases only. Yes, student. Now come on the function. The respiratory gases. You already know blood carry the gases, oxygen, oxygenated blood then when oxygen add with in the blood it become oxygenated. And that oxygenated blood move to the heart and heart pump to the full body. Then every cell get the oxygen, do the process of respiration. Then we get the energy. They release the carbon dioxide. Then blood take the carbon dioxide. That blood is called deoxygenated blood. Then go to the again to the heart. Again heart pump to the lungs. Then we release the carbon dioxide outside. This is the way of the circulatory system, student. Now come on the third one is a muscular system. Muscular system. It consists of the different types of muscle, student. Different type of muscle. We have the different types of muscle. Yes. It help in the movement of the different part of the body. Every part we are able to move with the help of muscles only, student. Yes. Fourth one is the skeleton system. Fourth one is the skeleton system. Our bones, our cartilage, that is create the skeleton system. Our bones are there and with here cartilage are there, students. That movement is done through the skeleton system only. The system, what is the function of this system is there, students. See there. The system give our body a definite shape. We have the skeleton is there, inside there. It gives the definite shape to our body and provide the supporting frame. Frame is there inside, which support the full body. If that is not, if framework is not there, our body is like a flexible only. Inside nothing is there. Yes, it provides the support. Yes, internal organ of the body are also protected by it. For example, ribs are there to protect the heart and other things. If, for example, if ball is coming here and strike with on their chest, it protected by the ribs only. Yes, student. Locomotion. Next is our organ of the body also protected by it, and it also help in a locomotion. Skeleton system help in the locomotion. Body were able to move with the help of skeleton system only, with the help of bones and cartilage. Yes. Next is the integumentary system. Integumentary system is there. In integumentary system, we have the skin and their parts, appendages. We have the hairs also on the skin. We have the nails are there. What is their function means? It protects the body for keeping out the germ out of it. You know, our skin releases the sweat, students. It releases the extra waste material, extra salt mixed with water. It releases some other waste material also, yes, student. It protects our body from keeping the germs out of it and regulate the body temperature by releasing the sweat, student. It also functions to protect against the injury, like small cut is there, wound, to eliminate the product by the sweat gland. Sweat gland eliminate the products. If any cut is there, anything, it protects us from the cut and other injuries. Next is the reproductive system. Very important system is there. Yes, primary reproductive organs. There are two parts are there. One have the male part, one have the female part. When they come in contact with each other, then reproduction happen. Male have the organs are their testes. These are the sex organs are there. It help in reproduction. Testes like a pouch. Two pouch is there. That is a testis is there between the penis. Yes, student. And a female have the ovaries. Two ovaries are there near the fallopian tubes. Yes. So, male produce the testes, testosterone hormone. Sperms. Male release the sperm, that is a sperms. White liquid is there, sperm. Then female release the in ovary is there, releases the which sex cell is there? That is a ova, ovum. That is like a egg only, egg only. When sperms and ova combine each other, the fertilization begin. Start there. Where it happen? In fallopian tube only, student. Fallopian tube. In fallopian tube, reproduction happen. Then it gives the birth of new child. After fertilization, it become, yes, it become fertilization begin. Then it becomes zygote. Zygote become mature. That is a fetus. Like this, it develops the new baby, student. Yes. Function. It helps to reproduction the cell. It helps to produce the reproductive cells, like the sex cells. When they combine each other, it produces the new young one. So this is the reproductive system. So our next system is the student. Yes, we have to discuss in next system. Yes, next system is the sixth one is the endocrine system. Endocrine system. In endocrine system, student, we have the lot of glands are there in our body present. You know, largest gland is the liver is there, which releases the bile juices. So main gland is the master gland is the pituitary gland. We have the thyroid gland also, which releases the thyroxine hormone. Adrenal gland is there, which releases the adrenaline hormone. So pancreas is there, which releases the insulin hormone. So every gland is handled by the pituitary gland, master gland. Like you know, in Deepavali you use the lightning is there. So master bulb is there. If you remove master bulb, the full light is off there. Full lightning is off. They are working because of the master bulb only. So pituitary gland handle every gland. Give message to the every gland. Now you release the hormone. Whenever blood sugar level increases, the pituitary gland give the message to the pancreas that release the insulin, control the sugar level in the blood. So this is the endocrine system. We have the two types of the gland is there. Ductless gland and without duct or with duct. Ductless and with duct. Ductless means without any pipe. They directly through the hormone in the blood only. But which ductless is there, there without duct, or with the duct is there with pipe only. In a particular place only. This is the endocrine system. Now come on the seventh one system is a digestive system. Yes, what is the function of endocrine system? It releases some chemicals, hormone, chemical coordination. It makes the chemical coordination in the body. Yes, digestive system you already know. Start from the mouth, then esophagus, then go to the stomach, small intestine, large intestine. That you already know. Digestive system helps to digest the food and get the nutrient and utilize it. You know the first process, ingestion to take the food, then digestion. Afterwards, absorption by the villi, small intestine. Then in small intestine absorption, they assimilation to use the nutrient for our activities. And last is the egestion is there. Egestion means to release the waste which was left. Yes, digestive system. Now, eighth one last is a excretory system. You already know our body some waste left. Our blood is have some waste is there. Extra nitrogenous waste is there. So how it purify? With the help of kidney. With the help of kidney only. Kidney have which unit is there? Smallest unit is the kidney is there. That is this kidney is there. Bowman capsule. In nervous system, neuron only they send the message. Here the unit is a nephron. Millions of nephrons are there in the kidney. Nephron have one Bowman capsule like shape with which filter the blood. Filter the blood, remove the extra nitrogen waste with the help to produce the urine only. To produce the urine, student. So this is the excretory system, student. Yes, after kidney, that go to the two pipe, then connected to the urinary bladder after urethra. Ureters, two pipe, then go collected in the pouch, that is a urinary bladder, then afterward they go come outside through the urethra. So this is the excretory system, student. I already explained the all system to you. In next chapter, in next lecture, we discuss about the next topic is the plant tissue. Thank you, student.